Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. What if I told you three little girls had superpowers and could save the world before bedtime? Sounds awesome, right? Well, get ready to meet the Powerpuff Girls. A long time ago, in the city of Townsville, there was a brilliant scientist named Professor Utonium. He wanted to create the perfect little girls using sugar, spice, and everything nice. But oops, he accidentally added a secret ingredient, Chemical X. Boom! And just like that, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup were born. But they weren't just regular little girls. They had superpowers. Meet the Powerpuff Girls. Blossom, the leader. She's super smart, always has a plan, and wears a pink dress. She even has ice breath. Bubbles, the sweetest. She loves animals, giggles a lot, and wears blue. But don't be fooled. She can talk to animals and has a super loud scream. Buttercup, the tough one. She's strong, fearless, and wears green. She loves fighting bad guys and never backs down. Together, they use their super speed, flying skills, and laser eyes to protect Townsville from evil villains. Villains beware. But being a superhero isn't easy. The Powerpuff Girls have to fight big bad guys like Mojo Jojo, a super smart monkey who always has a plan to take over Townsville. Him, a creepy red villain with a spooky voice and weird powers. Princess Morbucks, a rich girl who wants to be a Powerpuff Girl but is too mean to join. Even though the bad guys never stop, the Powerpuff Girls always win. Because no matter what happens, they always stick together. The power of teamwork. Now the fun part, let's color these Powerpuff Girls. The Powerpuff Girls teach us that being strong isn't just about superpowers. It's about helping others, working as a team, and always doing the right thing. So, which Powerpuff Girl is your favorite? Bye for now. See you next time.